So we started our conversation with Startup Steroid in the summer of 2024 because we were at a growth inflection point as an angel group. We were focused on traveling around the state of Kansas uh, to bring on new members in different communities within our own city of Wichita, Kansas. So we were reviewing our internal operations and what we could be doing manually versus automated. It came at a perfect time when Startup Steroid reached out to us. So we our initial conversation started on two tracks. First is with SPV Hub to migrate our current SPVs over to their platform so that our investors would have a centralized location for all of their portfolios. Part of the reason we really want to do this was because we are federally funded. Uh, you never know when funding can stop, and we wanted to think long term for our membership beyond just our current internal operations. If we were if my position were not was not fundable anymore, who would be managing those portfolios? So the first step was migrating over the SPVs to SPV Hub. While that conversation was going on, we also spoke to them about the deal flow platform. And with some of our growth initiatives, it made a lot of sense to not only have their portfolios migrated, but also a centralized location to review our current deal flow, try to strengthen our due diligence process, and lean on our group's knowledge base more than we had been doing previously. We found that this has not only given us the opportunity to do a sort of internal audit uh, of our portfolio companies, but also given us the strength in some of the automation that exists on the deal flow side to bring in better companies to our membership. And at the end of the day, our goal is to mobilize capital for founders across the heartland, and Startup Steroid has allowed us to do that. So I absolutely would recommend SPV Hub to others. Their team is attentive, very fast with customer service. They they're a smaller company, so they have more flexibility with feedback on the platform, which we also thought was a huge value add. And they've held our hands throughout the process. Their account managers to their technical support. We've been really pleased with the experience. Um, so all in all, I recommend SPV Hub to any angel groups across the country. I'd be happy to talk one-on-one about some of our other experience with the platform. But yeah, thank you.